So welcome to my channel. My name is Millie and I'm a vet nurse. I have been qualified as a vet nurse since 2022. I currently have 6 guinea pigs. It's a lot of guinea pigs. Right, so this is my first ever YouTube video. Today's video, I'm going to be introducing you to my 6 guinea pigs. All of my guinea pigs are rescue guinea pigs. So I don't ever go to Pets at Home and buy them. I don't really believe in breeding guinea pigs. I think there's plenty in rescues already. Right, so my first guinea pig that I'm introducing today, this is Coconut. Coconut is about 3 years old. She's the guinea pig that I've had the longest at the moment. She is super cute. She's very fat. She is an American smooth-coated guinea pig. She came from a rescue called Guinea Guinea Pig Rescue. There was a very lovely lady called Susie who runs that rescue. We sent another guinea pig to the rescue essentially for bonding, and Coconut was the guinea pig that she was bonded to. So we brought Coconut home when she was only a few months old. She was a little bit shy at first, but she did come out of her shell. Initially, when we brought her home, she was quite difficult to handle. She hadn't really had much handling before. It did take a little bit of time for her to kind of get used to being picked up and held, but I would definitely say that she is the most friendly of my guinea pigs at the moment. Coconut does have some health issues. She is overweight. Yeah, she is overweight. Trying to get her to a bit of a healthier weight. She does also have cystic ovaries. So this is something I will be doing another video on a bit later on. It's something that humans can get as well. So essentially it is, you know, what it says it is. So it's cysts that are produced on the ovaries. They can get up to a few centimetres in size, so they can give guinea pigs this sort of pear-shaped appearance. So it does also make her look a little bit fatter than she actually is, but she is also fat. Coconut's cystic ovaries are quite small at the moment. She doesn't show any signs of discomfort with them. It doesn't affect her quality of life at all at the moment, but it is definitely something that we are going to keep an eye on. So yeah, that's Coconut. Right, so the second guinea pig we are introducing today is Strawberry Shortcake. So Strawberry Shortcake is about 4 years old. So she is my oldest guinea pig. She lives with Coconut. Strawberry Shortcake came from a rescue over in Bristol called Little Weakers. Strawberry is definitely more of a placid guinea pig. So she's quite laid back, quite chilled out. She doesn't really mind being picked up that much. So Strawberry Shortcake does have some quite severe health issues. She has got a tumour. We think it's on her liver, but we aren't quite sure. It could be on her spleen, but we do suspect it is a liver tumour. It has got bigger quite quickly. It's something that we've been monitoring at the vets. She's been going for ultrasound scans, so we just monitor sort of the size of that tumour. She's still super happy and bright in herself at the moment, so she's eating, she runs around weeking, so she's quite a happy little guinea pig still. But she has now started to decline in terms of her sort of body condition, so she starts to feel a bit more skinny now. You know, this is something we're monitoring very closely and we aren't sure that we're going to have that much longer with her, unfortunately. So because of Strawberry Shortcake's tumour, she is on a pain relief medication twice a day. She's very good at taking her pain relief medication. It's supposed to have quite a sweet taste, so she does like it. But yeah, she's on that twice a day and it just keeps her comfortable for now. One other health issue that she does have is fatty eye. So you can see just on this eye here, she has got a little bit of a sort of lump, I guess. This is something that she's had since we got her. It doesn't affect her quality of life at all, and it doesn't seem to affect her vision either. It's just something that she has. So that is Strawberry Shortcake. So the next guinea pig that we're introducing is Butternut Squash. She's about 2 years old. She is an American crested guinea pig. So she's smooth coated, but she has got this little crest here on her head. She lives with Pumpkin. Butternut Squash earned her name because she is a little bit squashed. Both Butternut Squash and Pumpkin did come from quite a traumatic background. So I rehomed them from a rescue in Bristol called Little Weakers. So the story that I was told about their history is that they were essentially living in an open pen in someone's living room. These people had a dog and that dog would regularly pick up the guinea pigs. So we have done some investigation into Butternut Squash, just because she is a little bit of a strange guinea pig. You can see that her face is a bit lopsided, so she's a little bit wonky. She also kind of hops like a rabbit instead of walking like a normal guinea pig. When she was rehomed to me, we were a little bit worried about the way that she walked. So we suspected maybe that she had like a previous fracture or break or something like that. It was causing her to walk a little bit strangely. So she had some x-rays and lots of investigations at the vets after she'd had a bit of time to settle in. We didn't find any breaks actually, which was a real relief. But what we did find was that she has got some facial paralysis. So essentially this white side of her face here, she cannot feel that side of her face. So we know that because she doesn't have something called a blink reflex. She is not very good at blinking this eye. So when you tap around the eye, there she's blinking. This eye, no response. So she cannot feel this side of her face. Hence, she's a little bit droopier on that side. We suspect she also has got a bit of partial blindness. That's just based off the way that we have seen her sort of moving around the cage and her behaviour. She is a very scared guinea pig, probably the most terrified guinea pig I have ever rescued. She absolutely hated being handled when she first came here, and she is just now, you know, getting more used to being handled. She is on eye drops twice a day, so for that reason she is coming out of the cage quite a lot and being held. So she is getting better, but she does take a bit of an experienced handler, definitely. Our next guinea pig is Pumpkin. Pumpkin is roughly about 2 years old. She lives in a cage with Butternut squash. These guinea pigs did come to me from Little Weakers as well, so it's the same rescue that Strawberry Shortcake came from. We have had them for a few months now. She is a little bit of a nibbly guinea pig, so if you hold her for a little bit too long and she gets a bit fed up of being, you know, out of the cage, she might give you a little nibble, just a little bite, but nothing particularly aggressive, just to say, you know, I'm done now, put me back. She has the loudest week of all of the guinea pigs in the guinea pig room, so when she hears the veggies in the kitchen, she screams so loud. She absolutely loves her veggies. But yeah, she definitely is a little bit more shy of all the guinea pigs here. So I don't know exactly what type of guinea pig she is. Her fur is kind of like a teddy on the front, but on the back she's like a smooth guinea pig. So I don't really know what breed she is, but she's very cute. So next I am introducing our latest additions, and these are our baby guinea pigs. So we have Moon Pig here on the right, and we've got Pixie here as well. These guinea pigs they are little babies. They are only about 11 weeks old now, so they are very, very small. They're still settling in a little bit. They have come from a website called Pets for Homes. So essentially somebody got them from Pets at Home, had them for about a week, and for personal reasons just couldn't keep them anymore. So they advertised them on Pets for Homes, and I found them. That's how we ended up with these two. We haven't discovered any health issues as of yet. Pixie is a silky guinea pig, much like Strawberry Shortcake. She has quite long fur at the moment, and she's got some very pretty colours on her as well. With Moon Pig, I would probably guess that she is a teddy guinea pig, but she does actually have quite wavy fur, so maybe she's got something else crossed in, but we'll see what she looks like as she gets a bit older. So that was my 6 guinea pigs. Thank you so much for watching today. If you do want to see more guinea pig related videos, do stay tuned and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment if there is any particular video that you want to see from me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.